Good midweek, everyone. We are mid-September, and I thought I'd just do a quick video to just discuss where we are with cars. Yeah, I'm, as I say, it's just a short one. Don't want to go too much into it, if I'm being honest, but I think we just need to sort of get a bit of an idea, because maybe, unlike other YouTube channels where people concentrate on one car at a time, I tend to bounce all over the place, which isn't so good. So I thought I'd really do just a quick run down of where we are with what cars. Some stuff you actually don't even know about, so I thought I'd briefly touch on that, if I'm being honest, with videos to come at a later date. So without further ado, what have we got and what's going to happen, and what also do I not have here that still have? Let's get on with it. So, mid-September. I appreciate these videos probably won't really attract too many comments or people really that interested, but I thought we just need an update on where we are with all the cars. So let's start. So, .430D, which I purchased. Where are we with that? Basically, it's my daily runner, to and from work. Clocks up about 40 odd miles a day, and yeah, haven't really done too much to it. We need to work on the alloys still, and I need to sort out the scuff to the side skirt. But because this doesn't generate money, so to speak, as a business or anything, I'm not putting effort into it as I should do. So that is that car. You're obviously well aware of the X2 that's arrived. That is in the process of going through a paint job at the moment, which I'm doing. Cover that in another video. We're waiting on the DVLA to come back with the V5 for this, so that we can actually start using it, because it's got no tax. So that's where we are with that one. This one, the 2012 with the bent in wheel well under here somewhere. That is again waiting, because at the same time as the V5 was sent for that one, the V5 was sent for this one. I can't move that until we get that back, and I can't get that over to my dad's where we can start working on the wheel well. But in the meantime, I have been working on it. Again, it's covered in videos about what I've been working on. Yes, so that is where we are with that one. So that's a Cat Enco part. That's a Cat Enco part. The BMW Cat Enco part. This is I just want to get out of the sun, the glaze of the sun. This is the Mrs. Fiat 500, uncategorised, purchased before she met me, from new, and that obviously is the replacement for this. So I've now got to get this prepped and ready for sale, so it will just go down as a private sale, because it's her car that she's getting rid of. It's not part of, you know, any form of business as such. So yeah, so I've got to be fair, there's not much to it. It runs really nicely. Cam belt, all that stuff's done. All I'm going to do to this is sort out the alloys, get it MOT'd, and then that'll be good to go. So yeah, 60 odd thousand miles on the clock, and yeah, just sell that as a bog standard lounge. That's for sure on that one. And then finally, it's the flipping sun again. I'm just going to show you this. That's how I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it as that. That is what I've picked up today. I'm just going to leave that there. That is a new project that I've just collected, and we will discuss that at a later date, probably in a couple of weeks. So yeah, let's just zoom back out. So yeah, quite a lot on the go. Now, what we don't have here is I have another 500. If you remember the £800 grey Sport that I got with 102,000 on the clock, that is not here. That has now been temporarily, we'll say temporary, a deposit has been placed on that car, ready to go to its new owner later in the month. But because obviously I need the space to work on cars, that is now gone and is now sat on the road away from here, as I say, because I need the space. So that is pretty much done and gone and ready to go. I'll cover that in a very small video next time. I've got to go and drive that to the new owner later in the month, so that's good. So we are actually technically still got that car, but it's technically gone. And then finally, is anyone thinking about another car? Maybe not, depends on how long you've been a subscriber. Do you remember the Alpha? So the Alpha Giulietta, that is at my dad's. That needs some work to be done on it in order to get ready for an MOT. So I'm going to need some new tyres, but again, it's not making the money, it's not generating the money that I need to pay for various bits and pieces for the restoration of the house. So, that's just sitting up at the moment, and I need that gone at some point, or that will just go off to my dad. But that has potential for a lower arm as well, and certainly two new tyres that need to be done before it can be MOT'd. So that is where we're at. So I thought I'd just give you a quick update on all the cars that we've got, and yeah, how busy I am in sorting this all out. So yeah, I think I'll just quickly flick to the front just so you can see where we're at. Again, hiding that one. So yeah, there we go. Right, thank you all for watching, and catch up with me for more videos on dealing with all of this. And until next time, see you all later. Oh yeah, and hit that subscribe button and that like button. That would be really, really helpful. Thank you very much. See you all later.